Jessica paused mid-step in the dim corridor of her grandmother's old house, drawn by soft, haunting whispers emanating from the nursery, a room left vacant for over 20 years. The whispers formed a melody, a nursery rhyme she recognized faintly but hadn't heard since her childhood. It was a lullaby her grandmother used to hum, meant to comfort, but now feeling eerily distorted. The air was cold as she pushed open the nursery door, the creaking hinge a subtle scream in the silence that blanketed the house. Inside, moonlight filtered through dusty curtains, revealing scattered cobweb-laden toys. The whispers persisted, emanating from a long-abandoned crib. Jessica approached, heart thundering. As she leaned over, the whispered lullaby shifted into unsettling laughter. The crib was empty, but the laughter grew louder, filling the room. Jessica froze, her own reflection staring back from the crib's mirrored mobile. Her eyes were not her own, deep, dark, hollow voids conveying a message she now understood. The house remembered, and it wanted company. The nursery door slammed shut, sealing her fate amidst the haunting echoes of forgotten lullabies.